Vlogmas channel, and today we are on Vlogmas day 10, and today I'm gonna do a mini Walmart grocery delivery haul. I swear by Walmart grocery delivery because I can get everything really quick. This is not sponsored. I will tell you that it is not sponsored. I bought everything. So it's a few recipes that I want to try. They may be old to you, but new to me. Again, I'm just trying recipes that I find online. And if you have any recipes that you want me to try, comment down below. Let me know. So I got some prosciutto. I like this with like the little cheese sticks. You know, you can get them from the store wrapped around in the cheese sticks. I like those like that, but we're gonna try it in the recipe. I got a green bell pepper. I'm not going to take it out, so we're good on that. I got a red onion, purple onion, whatever you call it, but it is a red onion. Then I got the yellow and the red bell pepper, and then a tomato. You see I got this small tomato because I don't really like tomatoes, but I need it for the recipe. I want to try to do the recipe as close as possible. It's maybe 1 or 2 changes that I made, but you'll see that in the vlog tomorrow. I got some salami. I don't really like salami, but again, I'm trying the recipe just the way it is, so I did get salami. Honey roasted chicken breast and roast beef. Not big on lunch meat, but again, trying this recipe. Heavy whipping cream. I don't know why I bought this, and I have some. Y'all saw in the previous video, in the cake video, I used 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of heavy whipping cream. So I got all this heavy whipping cream, so that means there's more recipes that I have to try that involves this. Cheese! You can't never have too much cheese. Got cheese again for my recipe. I'm actually excited to do these recipes. One of them I've done before, but the one that you'll see tomorrow I've never done before. Chopped ham. This is my favorite brand actually. I got 2 pizza crust. Not pizza crust. That's not pizza crust. Pie shells. Deep dish pie shells. 2 of those. Shredded lettuce. I got some eggs. Let's make sure they're not cracked. Alright, they're not cracked. Red wine vinegar. I don't cook with this very often, or I don't use this very often, so I probably need to make more like salad-like things so I can use that. A big old thing of pepper. If you're not using pepper, what are you doing? Mayo. I don't eat mayo, but it's for the recipe. So I'm gonna try it just the way it is. And I call these not pepperoncinis. What y'all call them? I call them banana peppers. That's what I call them. But the fancy way, I guess, is pepperoncini. Some Doritos. I really didn't need this big old bag. I just needed something to eat with what I'm gonna make. But got Doritos. Pepper jack and Kobe jack cheese, sub roll, and bacon. What is a grocery shopping experience without bacon? Bacon. So I am super excited, and you might actually, you're gonna see what I make with one of the recipes. You'll see that in the next clip. So come with us. Let's go on this journey, and we'll see you in the next clip. Bye! Alright, so today we're going to make the TikTok grinder sandwich. I've always wanted to try it, but I just never got around to it. But today, I'm going to go ahead and try it. 9 times out of 10, I did not open up this stuff ahead of time. So, we're going to go ahead and open up this stuff. So, it calls for mayo. I don't really like mayo like that, but we're going to make the dressing for the salad part of it. And I kind of just read the recipe and felt like the recipe says do what you want. So I'm gonna put a little mayo. And then I'm gonna start with a little and then kind of play with the consistency. I'm gonna season it up a little bit. A crushed red pepper, give me a little kick. A little bit of oregano. Some all-purpose Greek seasoning. I like this stuff. Shout out to my best friend for showing me this. So I like it. It adds a good flavor to your stuff. Some onion powder. Garlic powder. And some pepper. And at this point, we got to do the famous smell test. Okay. I think I'm going to need to add like some more mayo in here. I just don't think that's going to be enough. So let's add some more mayo. I'm a saucy person. So I'm going to add more mayo. And this mayo is now too light skinned for my liking. So let's add some more seasoning. Season it up until your heart says stop. And then we're going to add our red wine vinegar. We'll start with that much. Whatever that much is. I don't know what that much is. But we're going to start with that much. I never watched the video. I just kind of read the ingredients. I wanted to have like the almost loose like dressing feel. And I like the tang and like vinegars and vinegar. Oh shoot, I'm making a mess. Alright. So it looks like this so far. I think it's still a little bit too thick. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the red wine vinegar. And then I'm going to add our banana peppers. I got the Italian flavored because this should be like an Italian sandwich, right? Smell test. I like banana peppers, so let's do like enough that says I did it. And then I might add a little bit of the juice. At this point, I'm just doing what I want. And it looks like this so far. Those chunks are the banana peppers. So let me get my other bowl with my lettuce.